Hi, I'm Bud Vincent, Chief Technology Officer of Ropeless Systems. Please feel free to share the contents of this presentation via social media outlets. Ropeless Systems has been busy since our last Ropeless Consortium meeting held October 2023 in Halifax, Nova Scotia. We've continued to refine and improve Riser MTA. For those not familiar, Riser MTA is our hands-free, chart plotter integrated ropeless fishing system, providing real-time underwater acoustic positioning and on-demand acoustic recovery combined into a single system. We've delivered systems to the Maine Department of Marine Resources for inclusion in their gear lending library and to the Canadian Wildlife Federation for use in their underwater acoustic positioning study. And perhaps most importantly, we passed 3 major milestones. First was the installation and testing of a through-hull transducer on our research vessel. Although this was not representative of our final design, it allowed us to test with 3 different transducer elements, some with new features to enhance fishing operations. Second, we demonstrated an industry first, multi-access acoustic interoperability between 2 vessels operating in the same vicinity, positioning multiple sets of gear, both owned and non-owned. Although the temporary installations were not optimal for underwater acoustic positioning, the results validated all key concepts and functionality. But our third milestone was the most exciting. Our system was used in commercial fishing operations in California in the box crab and king crab fisheries. This was possible through an exploratory fishing permit organized in part by Sustainable Seas Technology. For those not familiar, these are deep-water fisheries operating in 400 to 900 foot depths with large traps set in 7 trap trawls. In addition to the deep depths, the sea conditions are often challenging and dynamic with strong winds and currents due to the exposed areas seaward of the Channel Islands. After careful consideration, Ropeless Riser became the preferred on-demand fishing solution for Greg Olson of Fourth Watch Seafood. The fisherman was trained in January, demonstrated proficiency by conducting the required independent operations in February, and began operations in March. There were 6 months of commercial fishing operations with 33 trips, landing over 10,000 pounds of product. There were 228 deployments of the Riser MTA. Acoustic actuation was always performed from the chart plotter with a 100% success rate. There were 3 issues with ground line rigging, but no system ever failed to release when commanded to do so. As part of a grant from the New England Gear Innovation Fund of the National Fish and Wildlife Foundation, Ropeless Systems has received an award to execute a design for manufacturing, commonly known as DFM. This process looks to modify our existing pre-production design in order to leverage high-volume manufacturing techniques. These techniques and tools can lower the manufacturing costs to allow large volume production and lower consumer prices for fishermen. Our plan for this coming year is to continue commercial fishing operations with our system while incorporating valuable feedback from fishermen. Additionally, we will be working to have our systems used in the closures currently affecting the lobster fishery in the Northeast U.S. and the lobster and snow crab fisheries in Atlantic Canada. Thank you for watching this presentation. Be sure to visit us at ropeless.us, where we will provide announcements and updates on our progress throughout the year.